Well, here I am at the chicken coop, and I've strung a cabbage up for the chicks. And they like to eat the cabbage and peck at it all day. So let me show you how I'm going to string this up for them. Good morning, Communist. I'll introduce you to the girls again. There's Lacey, the white one. And Florence, the barred rock, she's gray and white. And this is Sister Chicken, she's our oldest chicken. And we have a string hanging from the in the run so that we can hang treats for the chickens. Now, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to string this at the same time, so I'm going to put down my camera right here. Maybe you'll get part of it, maybe not. And let's see, string this. It's about the right height. There we go. So there it is. Pinata. Communist and Lacey are starting to peck at it. Yeah. Sister comes, chases away Lacey. And Flaco's visiting the coop. He's outside. This is chicken TV for him. And in general, the cats get along pretty well with the chickens. The chickens make a lot of random movements which scare the cats, so they're really not very effective predators for the chickens, which is good. So before I came in, I checked on, whoa, that's going to be a lot of crazy camera work. Checked on the nesting boxes, and I found that Anarchist is in the nesting box. Oh, I think I did this wrong. And she has 2 eggs under her. And I'm not sure why she's getting broody or what. She doesn't want to be put off. This is her egg. It's green. And then this is probably the egg of Florence. They're both warm.